The FRONEZER Chrome Door Handle Set offers a full matching set of front and rear exterior handles that restore a clean, factory look to aging trucks and sport utility vehicles. Its bright chrome finish gives Chevy, GMC, and Cadillac models from the late 2000 decade a more upscale appearance, while standing up well to weather and road grime. The handles are built to original equipment dimensions, so they line up correctly with existing mounting points and linkages for a straightforward swap in place of worn or broken parts. Coverage for many Silverado, Sierra, Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, and Escalade variants makes this kit especially convenient for owners or shops that service multiple General Motors vehicles from the same era. The set is engineered to replace a wide range of original part numbers, which helps ensure proper fit and function, even when the vehicle's factory hardware has varied over the years. Overall, this chrome handle kit is a practical upgrade that improves door operation, refreshes exterior styling, and can be installed at home with basic tools.